Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia here in Maple Ridge, Pitt Meadows, at the foot of the Golden Ears Bridge. I wanted to walk around this newly acquired 2016 Sorento SX. This is a V6 automatic 4x4 7-seater. What's unique about this vehicle is you have the brightest lights available for the 2016, 4-pod halogens. You can see the headlamps there. They're very bright, so we put the turn signals in the mirrors so people know you're turning. The vehicle has everything painted, has some Sorento applique been added to the side of the vehicle, makes it very pretty. Two-tone alloy wheels, nice tinted windows and darker in the rear. This has a tan white interior on black, so it's a very unique vehicle. LED taillights. It does have the Sirius satellite radio, panorama, sunroof, which we all have learned to love. If you haven't, come on down to take a look. It's the whole roof. In the back, you've got the sensors for going back. It has the power lift gate. It can trailer 5,000 pounds with its V6 automatic, so that's a real big benefit to a lot of people, and having 7 seats. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to get into the rear. So this has been set forward on purpose. It does have heated middle row. It does have little screening here for keeping it darker and cooler inside. You just lock the seatbelt out of the way and you just step in. I put one of the seats down just to show you that it does lay very flat. It does have air conditioning controls for the third person, and the seats are just absolutely immaculate and gorgeous. I'm just going to set that up and set that straight, so the camera's going to judder a little bit. I apologize. So this is the second row. It's a two-tone. It's got dark with the tan. Has a 3-prong plug-in USB. Beautiful bags on the backs of the seats, the wood grain. And there's that sunroof I'm talking about. It goes right to the back for all your guests. White LED interior, so when you light up, it doesn't bother you up front while somebody's reading in the back. Blind spot detection in your mirrors. It'll light up and let you know somebody's beside you. 2 seat settings. Auto windows up and down with folding mirrors. So when you're going into the garage, or if you're going onto the ferry, you can fold them and then open them back up. Tilt telescopic steering. It does have this button here. It's lane detection, so if you're moving out of your lane, it'll slightly correct you. There's an interior power lift. By the way, the trunk is a smart lift gate, so if you wait 3 seconds with the keys in your pocket, it will automatically open on its own. This is a fully dressed vehicle. So this has got garage door opener, all the controls for above. Can't focus that in quite, but there you go. It does have the built-in navigation, Sirius satellite radio. You may go to the nav. All the controls there. Getting some noises, I apologize. It does have separate climate control for the front, and then of course separate for the third row. You have cooled seats because this is Nappa leather with porous holes in it, so you're getting a fanning on the bottom and on the back. And in the winter months you can heat them to 3 temperatures, and your steering wheel, of course, this whole segment of it heats up in your hands, which is wonderful. This has only got 62,000 kilometers. Again, lane departure warning and all sorts of great things can be done here. Bluetooth, Sirius satellite, I mentioned it, cruise control, auto lighting. It's great things. It's a beautiful 2016 black, and as long as you like this interior color, you should come on down and take a look at it. You'd have to be a pretty clean person in it. That's okay. It'll keep you cooler in the summer months. This is here now at West Coast Kia. We're at 19950 Lougheed Highway in Maple Ridge, Pitt Meadows. Come on down, let's do a deal. I forgot to show you something. You'll like this part. The backup camera is the panorama as well, so let me just do that before I go. I apologize. Look at that. I mean, you just can't miss anything. You want to go to full view, you want to go surround view, you can. It shows you where you're going, if the doors are open, if your sunroof's open. It even has a CD player. Thanks folks for watching my video. Come on down to West Coast Kia.